with the Sony Group, perhaps some sort of re-engagement of sorts, and which is why we're looking at Zee Entertainment advancing at the moment. We're looking at about a 4.5–5% gain today. But that said, that Zee Entertainment is currently also in an F&O ban. Now, this is for some of the newer players in the industry, newer traders who don't exactly understand the concept of ban. Well, just to apprise you of how things pan out as far as the ban is concerned, it does not necessarily mean that you are banned from trading Zee Entertainment. It only means that if you were holding a position before today, well, you are allowed to square off that position. If you take up a new position in today's day of trade, you can do so, but you will have to square off that position before the end of the trading day today. If you do carry on with your position, your new position taken today, and keep it on for beyond the end of the day today, well, you will be penalized for that transaction. A lot of the F&O ban, of course, will be determined by open interest as far as that particular company's company or stock is concerned, and there are thresholds and there are limits beyond which a stock moves into the F&O ban, and a threshold below which, after which it moves out of the F&O ban. That is once you start seeing unwinding. Now, should you see Zee Entertainment come through with a lot of unwinding as far as its futures and options trades are concerned in terms of open interest, and if it falls below a threshold, of course, there is a certain mark where your exchanges decide at the moment is 85% of market-wide limit. Well, under those circumstances, Zee Entertainment will come out of the F&O ban, and after which you can, in fact, take a positional bet. So that's as far as Zee Entertainment is concerned. That said, let's also address what's happening with a handful of other counters. Now, one of the other counters, of course, which is in focus in the futures and options space is Dixon Technologies. It made a new life high yesterday, and it has seen substantial gains as well. And while today it's also been strong, it's come off to a certain extent on an intraday basis. Aditya, can you come in on Dixon Technologies? How would you address this one? Is there more legs to the kind of strength that we've seen off late? What would you do with Dixon Technologies?
Absolutely. The kind of run-up which we have seen from 5,800 kind of level to almost 6,800, so almost a 15–20% jump over there. But last time it actually got knocked off from its resistance, which is 6,767, and it's currently trading at 6,776. So I think if it closes below 6,760, then I think probably short sellers are having an upper hand, and I think there's scope for some profit booking in the short term. If we consider a longer duration, like 1 to 2 months, then probably the trend is on the upside. But if you're talking about short term, then I think I don't see significant run up from this levels. So this is a short at 6,770. Stop loss should be 6,930, and target would be 6,660 to almost 6,500.
Okay, well, it just so incidentally happens that Ashish also has Dixon as one of his picks, but we're going to slip into a short break and come back with our experts for their recommendations today. Stay tuned, and we'll be back in just a bit.